Hi, my name is Alex and I'm a primary school teacher in Glyncorrwg Primary School. We are situated in the Upper Avon Valley. This year I thought it would be a very good experience for our children to enter the E-steddfod. After completing our own Eisteddfod in school, I thought it would be a great opportunity for the children to continue their success with the Welsh language and show what they produced and created and enter this competition. The children absolutely loved it. We did it as a whole school approach, and as we're a small school, we've only actually got 4 classrooms, but our nursery in the afternoon. But this was a whole day event. All the schools were involved as well, as we're a federation. So we are part of 4 primary schools, and our other schools ended up watching us on the telly as well. So throughout the day, the children were watching the competition up on the big screen and celebrating as a whole school the results. And the children were elated with some of the results. It was absolutely brilliant. We are quite a high percentage here of free school meals, so to give the children this opportunity was just brilliant, and to see their faces, and actually we had some happy tears towards the end with some of the results, and it was brilliant, and we would definitely be entering this year. So I highly recommend it for any small schools, and we're an English speaking school, so that made me even more proud of our children, because we were competing against Welsh speaking schools and children who obviously are fluent Welsh speakers, so I was really super proud of them. But we will definitely be entering this year, so I recommend you do it. Thank you again.